Good morning, today is August 2019 and today's refinishing project is located in Berkeley, California. Okay, so today we're going to be refinishing this old cast iron bathtub here in Berkeley, California. It's in really bad condition. Looks like it's been refinished at one point a long time ago. You have this old coating on here that's coming off and it's really yellow. Let's take a closer look. Right there. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is strip off this old coating and fully clean and sand it down. And then prep it out, mask it off, and refinish it. So this job will take probably around 6 hours to fully complete. And we'll follow up and show you once we're done. Alright, thanks for watching. Alright, so we just finished up the bathtub here in Berkeley, California. Let's take a closer look. Took around 4 hours, 4.5 hours to strip and fully refinish it. The old coating that was on there came off really easy, so we were able to get it done a little quicker. Beautiful shine, really shiny product. Alright, so if you're interested in any of our refinishing services, you can reach us at 925-516-7900, and we service the entire Bay Area. Thanks for watching.